These are going to be garlic baked potatoes. I have some russet potatoes here, only because they're russets because they were on sale. So I'm going to cut the pieces out of the russets, the bad pieces, what there are. Slice them up to chunks. Making sure there's no bad places in here, of course. And I washed them already. I'll cut a little bit of the brown stuff out, but the skins are generally pretty clean. And get that brown there. And I'll be adding to this, what actually I'll be doing is putting these in the microwave for about 10 minutes after they're cut up to partially cook them, so I don't have to run my oven very long. Okay. About the same size, doesn't matter what they look like. They're going to be delicious and easy. Don't have to peel them, keep the skins on them. I made these a couple days ago and I went in the refrigerator for leftovers and gone. They're gone. And the leftovers you can actually use in the morning for your, if you want to have potatoes with your eggs. Fried potatoes. I like quick and easy. I'm not a gourmet cook. I don't like to spend a lot of time. I just like a good taste. All right, pretty easy. There are the cut up potatoes. Now, in addition to the cut up potatoes, I'm going to take a nice Vidalia onion, sweet onion, and I'm going to cut up pieces of sweet onion. Put it right in there also. Oops, not that big, just little pieces. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Adds a nice flavor to it. Okay, now there's no water in there, it's just potatoes and onion. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 8 minutes on high, uncovered. Okay, the potatoes have been in the microwave for 8 minutes and they should be al dente, and they're still pretty hard, aren't they? Okay, well, that's okay. They've been in there 8 minutes. Some are cooked around the edges, some are not, so we'll stir them up a bit. And then to these potatoes, which have the onions are partially cooked now in the microwave for 8 minutes, along with the potatoes for 8 minutes. Now we're going to add butter, olive oil, garlic, granulated garlic, or garlic salt. I'm going to add some butter. Add some butter. Don't want too much butter because we're going to add to this, we're going to add olive oil, virgin olive oil. This is not wine, this is olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to add olive oil. And to the olive oil and the butter, I'm going to add granulated garlic. I like granulated garlic. There's no salt or anything in it, so it's just plain old granulated garlic. Ooh, that smells wonderful. And then to that, I'm going to add dill weed. You can use fresh dill weed, or you can use plain old dill weed. And then I'm going to stir it up. And then I'm going to bake it in the oven at, maybe, I don't want the oven to go too long, probably 375 for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And that should tender these up and get the wonderful flavorings into them. Okay?